Welcome to this tutorial on building an invoice extraction agent using Worc Agent Builder. In this session, we'll walk through how to configure an agent that extracts data from PDF invoices using AI and automatically pastes the extracted values into an Excel file. Let's get started. We'll begin by adding the Get Windows Environment variable node. This node dynamically fetches the logged-in user's environment details. In the input field labeled Environment Variable Name, type Username. This captures the Windows username and stores it in a variable called Desktop Name. We'll use this variable later to create file paths that adapt automatically to each user's system. Next, add the Launch Excel application node. This opens the Excel workbook where we'll store our extracted data. In launch mode, select Open Existing. Under Document Path, enter the location where your Excel file is saved. Here, we're passing the desktop name variable within the path, allowing the agent to work seamlessly for any user. Keep Make Instance Visible set to True and set the output variable to Excel Instance. This ensures Worc can interact directly with the open workbook. Once Excel is launched, add the Set Active Excel Worksheet node. In Excel application, select the Excel instance launched. Under Selection Type, choose Name, and in Search Value, type Item Prices. This is the name we have given to the worksheet. This tells the agent to activate the Item Prices sheet inside your Excel file, where all the data will be written. Now, we'll define where new data should go. Add the Get First Free row on column from Excel Worksheet node. In Excel application, select Excel Instance again. Set the column index to 1, which corresponds to column A. Give a name to the output variable. Here we have given the name representing the first empty row in that column. Next, let's bring in our invoices. Add the Retrieve files in Folder node. In Folder Path, enter the location where your PDF invoices are stored. Once again, the desktop name variable is passed dynamically, so this works across user environments. Set File Filter to *PDF and make sure Include Subfolders is set to True. This collects all PDF files that need processing and stores them in a list variable called Retrieved Files. Now we'll loop through these PDF files one by one. Set the Repeat method to repeat for every item in the list, and for items to loop through, select the variable we set up in the previous node. Set the Output Variable Name. This loop ensures each invoice is processed sequentially. Inside the loop, our first step is to extract the file details. Add the Get File Path Components node. In Source File Path, select the output variable we had set up in the previous node. This breaks the file path into parts such as file name, directory, and extension, stored in variables file name, directory, and file extension. Now we'll extract text from the PDF using OCR. Add the Extract Text from PDF node. In Source PDF Path, again select the variable. Set Page, Selection to All, and Extraction Type to Text. This captures all text content from the invoice and stores it in the defined variable. Once the text is ready, we'll send it to an AI model for field extraction. Add the AI node, and in Select Model, choose your published model from the drop-down list. In Input Text, select the variable where we saved the text output. Next, add the model's API key, the same one you retrieved while publishing your data extraction model. If you need help finding the key, refer to the previous tutorial where we covered model publishing. We are saving the AI output here in AI Model Result variable. Now we will save this AI response in JSON for further processing. Add the Write JSON file node. In JSON content, select the variable where we had saved the AI model output. And in File Path, enter the folder where you want to save the file, using file name as the dynamic file name. This creates a JSON file for every processed invoice. Next, read the newly created JSON file back into the flow. Add the Read JSON file node. In file path, use the same directory as before. Save the outputs, which will help us map the extracted fields into Excel. Now it's time to write the extracted values into the Excel file. Add a new loop node to iterate through the extracted fields. Pass the items to loop through. You can read more about how to write this expression in our documentation, available on our website. This loops through each field identified by the AI. Inside this loop, we'll use multiple Write to Excel nodes, one for each field. For every field node, set write mode to on specified cell. Specify the column letter, for example, A for file name, B for vendor name, and so on. For row, select the first free row variable we had set earlier. In value to write, pass the corresponding variable for each field. This writes the extracted values neatly into the Excel sheet. Next, add an increase variable node. Select the variable to increase and value to add as 1. This automatically moves the pointer to the next available row for the next invoice. Now add the Save Excel Workbook node to save your changes. Select the Excel instance and set Save Mode to Save Document. If you'd like to move processed invoices to a different folder, add the Move Files node and specify the destination path. This helps you keep processed and pending invoices organized. Finally, close Excel to complete the workflow. Add the Close Excel application node, select the Excel instance, and set Before Closing Excel to Save Document. And that's it! You've just built a fully automated invoice extraction agent that reads invoice PDFs, uses AI to extract key fields, saves results into Excel, and moves processed files to another folder, all automatically. With Worc, you can build similar end-to-end agents quickly, combining AI, applications, and workflow logic with zero coding. In the next video, we'll show you how to attach this agent to a virtual machine and configure triggers so it runs autonomously. Thanks for watching, and happy automating with Worc!